This video walks you through how to print records from Airtable. Begin by opening your Airtable base, then go to the table or saved view that contains the records you want to print. Airtable prints the records from the current view, so what you see here is what will carry into the print setup. If you need a particular group of records or a different arrangement of fields, make sure you're already in the correct view before moving on. Once the table is open, look at the current view name near the top of the screen. Click the small arrow next to that view name to open the view menu. In that menu, select Print View. This opens the Print Settings window for the view you are currently using. In the Print Settings window, review the layout options before sending anything to the printer. You can choose the paper size that matches the format you want to use. You can also choose the layout, which controls whether the page is arranged in portrait or landscape orientation. If your records include many fields across the table, changing the layout can help fit more content onto the page. Next, adjust field sizing. This setting affects how much space each field takes in the printed output. If the fields feel too wide or too narrow in the preview, this is the setting to change. You can also set the font size. A smaller font may allow more information to fit on each page, while a larger font may be better if readability is the priority. There are two additional display options in this window. You can choose to include the view name as the title at the top of the printout, and you can decide whether row numbers should appear. These options depend on how you plan to use the printed copy, so review them before continuing. After you have selected the print settings you want, click Print. This sends the job to your browser's print dialog, where you will complete the final part of the process. In the browser print dialog, choose the destination you want to use. You can select a physical printer, or choose Save as PDF if you want a digital file instead of a paper copy. If needed, adjust any final print settings available in the browser. Then click Print to confirm. Airtable will print the records from the current view using the settings you selected. If the result is not laid out the way you want, return to the view, update the view itself, or adjust the print settings, and print again. That is especially useful if you only want specific records or need a different arrangement on the page. Your Airtable records from the current view are now printed or saved as a PDF with your selected layout settings.